Hello. So this is the project for Swing Transformer Vehicle Detection System. So this is nothing but a real-time traffic surveillance and intelligent transportation system. Okay, which can detect vehicle from the input source. Okay, and in backend it uses Python language and Swing Transformer model. And basically the key feature it has, it can detect vehicles in different weather condition, and it can also detect vehicle in high speed vehicles. Okay, and it has very robust performance. So basically this is the home page for our project. It has three different module: image, video, and camera module. So we'll go one by one. So let me go with the image detection section. So this is the image detection part. Okay, so as you can see here, first you have to provide the input source, then you have to select the model, as we have three different models for Swing: tiny, small, and base. Okay, every one has trained on different data set and has different number of parameters. And also we can do the image enhancement as per the input source. We can select whether it is fog, it has a fog, or it, if suppose image are night vision, night image, night light image. Okay, so you can select night vision. Okay, so it will do the image processing accordingly to enhance the detection part. Okay, and you can also enhance do the enhancement for the speed. Okay, if image is having some blur image. Okay, so you can select this motion blur. Okay, so that it will do some optimization to get better prediction. Okay, so as of now let me select the null operations. Okay, and you can also set the threshold setting. Okay, if you go higher, that means you want more accurate result. Okay, as you go lower, that means you are supposed to get a less accurate result. Okay, so I'll keep at 40. Okay, which is generally average confidence score. Okay, and in the traffic analysis you will get the number of detected vehicle and the traffic status. Okay, and in other section you can save the image, you can check the result. Okay, you can check the detail analysis. Okay, so we'll go one by one. Let's select some image. Okay, let me pass some sample images. So these are some sample images are there. Okay, so we'll go with some good one. Okay, so this is a one of the image. Okay, so as you can see, this image I have selected. So if I click to run detection part, so it will simply load the model and do the prediction. Okay, so as you can see, it has done the prediction, and these are the number of object has been detected in the particular image section, and it is related to very heavy traffic as 25 vehicles are there. Okay, and in original, if you want to check the image, so you can click to original. This is the original image, and if you want to check the result image, you can also check the result image. So this is the result image. Okay, and if you want to save the result, you can also save the result. Okay, and if you want detail analysis, so if you click to detail analysis view, so you will have the list of vehicles, the graphical format, distribution of vehicles. Okay, so like that. Okay, similarly let me select some images which is basically having some night light or some speed related images. Okay, so this is the one of the image which has some moving vehicles. Okay, so let me run the detection. Okay, so as you can see, as of now, it has detected 29 vehicles are there inside this particular frame, which are supposed are there. Okay, so let me select some filters here. Okay, let's suppose I want to add some edge enhancement. Okay, as it is moving vehicles, and let me make the some less threshold. Okay, and let me run it again. Okay, so as you can see now system has detected 35 vehicle because I have made the confidence around zero point 0.3, and I have also added the age enhancement. Okay. Similarly, if you want to done the contrast adjustment, you can also do the from this option. If you see, the contrast has adjusted from the output image. Okay, so as per your image enhancement, it will do the processing. Okay, and in the detail analysis view, you will get the complete result. Okay, similarly let's select one more image. Okay, like this is the one of the night vision image. Okay, let me select this one and let me make the higher confidence. Okay, and let me run it without any filter. So as you can see, it has detected this number of vehicles. Okay, similarly now let me keep more at 60, and add some night vision uh, filter. So as you can see, it has not uh, much impacted, but if I made some less threshold value and let me run it again, so as you can see it has now detecting started detecting more result. Okay, so this way you can try with the different filters and you can test with this different images. Okay, so this is overall about the image section. Okay, similarly if I go back to my main dashboard and go to video section. Okay, so in the video section, it has also similar a pattern. First, you have to select the input source, whether you can select video or if you want to use camera, you can also use the camera. Then you have to select the transformer model, and then you have to select the image enhancement. So it will do the image enhancement in the uh, video part. Okay, and here is the frame processing setting. If you want to make faster prediction, then you have to set higher number. Okay, if you want slower prediction, means if you want to predict every frame, then you have to keep it one. If you want to predict or do the processing for every fifth image, then you have to set it fifth. Okay, else whatever number you will set, it will just process that particular frame. Okay, and rest it will skip. Similarly, you can set the confidence. Okay, and let me select some random video. Okay, you can try with any video or anything whatever you have. Just like I have this one of the video, this is the one of the video, and let me keep everything same. Okay, and just start it. So as you can see, as I started, so it also started detecting from the input frame and also started showing the output frame. So as you can see, it is now detecting from the input frame and it is showing the output key, how many number of frames are there and vehicles are there. And you can also stop the particular processing, you can reset it, you can pause the particular result. Okay, let me increase the threshold value and let me restart it again. Okay, so it then again it will restart the particular video by given updated setting. Okay, so this way you can update the parameters and you can do the processing and you can check with the different result. Okay, so this way you can do the complete processing and you can check the enhancement, image enhancement, and you can select different, you can try with different transformer model. Okay, so yeah, so this is overall about the vehicle detection project. Okay.
This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.